Welcome to my channel. Viewers, you can easily download Instagram reels, photos, videos easily. Just need to select your photos, videos, and then below the videos you can see a sharing option. So select sharing option, and then you can see add post to your story. So select it, and then this is videos or a photo saving option to your gallery. So I'm selecting no, my video is download. So if I saved, now I will check it. So I open phone gallery. Oh, here you can see the videos. Here you can see video is saved successfully. Thanks for watching and keep subscribe.